Sponsorship license. This is the hot topic now. Any employer who wants to get a sponsorship license and sponsor a skilled worker. A lot of people are thinking after July 2025, Home Office have removed. A lot of people, they come and ask me, okay, I'm running a fuel station, I'm running a retail shop, a corner shop, I'm running a beauty salon. Can we still apply for the sponsor license? The answer is yes, but some condition applies. So this position are still available, and you are a fuel station, you are having a shop, you can still sponsor and bring migrants. So
as long as the financial side is concerned, do they have to show any incoming money? Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Hatman.
Sure.
So for someone who's joining new, we've got Mr. Badri Balavenkateshan, who's a immigration consultant and a senior immigration lawyer with around 6,000 plus happy customers and still counting. And if you want to meet him or speak to him, you can go to www.ufvisas.com, which stands for Universal Fortune Limited, and the basic consultation it will be free, completely free. First basic, and he has done level 3 in IAA, which means that he can represent you in any court for immigration related cases. So, without any delay, shall we directly get into the topic?
Absolutely.
Which is about the sponsorship visa?
Absolutely. So before we start again, this video is purely for information purpose, and it should not be taken as immigration advice. To seek immigration advice, you need to see a qualified immigration lawyer consultant who is regulated by IAA or a solicitor who is regulated by SRA.
Okay.
So this episode is about sponsorship license.
Who should watch it?
Any employer who wants to get a sponsorship license and sponsor a skilled worker, or anyone who is working for an employer who doesn't have a sponsorship license and they want to work for them under skilled worker
and
visa.
They want to educate them.
Educate their employer.
Yeah.
So sponsorship license, this is the hot topic now and a hot cake which everyone is seeking for.
Every time it has been, so I think that it's been always a hot topic. But the thing is, now a lot of people think that it is no good to have a sponsorship license.
That's not true.
Yeah, that's what it is.
This is the best time to get sponsorship license, and you can still get the sponsorship license.
But why do you think that it's the best time to get the sponsorship?
A lot of people are thinking that after July 2025, Home Office have removed lot of SOC code between 3 to 5.
3 to 5, yeah.
Now only the code which is at RQF level 6 and above are allowed. However, people are ignoring that there are quite a lot of SOC code between 3 to 5 in immigration salary list and temporary shortage list. And also there are very less number of applications are going in. So Home Office is making decision quickly while granting the license, or if they want to do further checks, they are doing it quickly. So this is the best time. Now, first thing, a lot of people, they come and ask me, okay, I'm running a fuel station, I'm running a retail shop, a corner shop, I'm running a beauty salon. So since after July 2025, a lot of positions have been taken off. Can we still apply for the sponsor license? The answer is yes, but some condition applies. You cannot bring someone from outside the UK. If you are running a fuel station and you want to sponsor someone as a fuel station manager, you cannot bring someone from outside the UK, or you cannot sponsor someone who is on student visa or dependent visa. However, you can sponsor someone who is already under skilled worker visa, who came before July 2025, and there is a very big number. Home Office says between 2020 December till 2025 July, close to 1 million people have come. and a lot of people are on career visa. So if they want to change employer, and a lot of people who are on the skilled worker visa, working for different employer, you can sponsor them. Also, there are quite a lot of organization. They are having 2 or 3 fuel station or 2 or 3 shops. They can choose some position, for example, like sales manager or business development manager, if they want to open more branches,
So
which is a target of level 6.
Level 6, yeah.
Yes, and also if they want a bookkeeper, which is under the temporary shortage list, they can take it.
What is the bookkeeper? So is level 3 or?
Yeah, it is a level 3 position. So this position are still available, and you are a fuel station, you are having a shop, or you are having a beauty salon, you can still sponsor and bring migrants. So now what are the requirements for sponsorship license? So there are quite a lot of requirements. Now the mandatory documents you need to submit first from the list of documents in the Appendix A. So the most important thing is bank statement, your 3 months bank statement, your VAT certificate, a PAYE certificate, employer liability insurance, your office or shop lease agreement. So there are many documents out there. Out of that, Home Office says 4 to 5 will do.
So the company registration document, does it?
No, incorporation certificate they don't
it's
need
not
it.
required. Okay.
Okay. But Home Office or these days, they look into the genuinity of the business. So you need to provide your recent invoice contracts, and also if you have any special accreditations, you need to provide that.
And as long as the financial side is concerned, do they have to show any incoming money?
Yes, this is what. Okay. Now, the Home Office looks into the genuinity and the credibility of the business. So, these days, the reason why they're asking for 3 months bank statement is they want to see how much money you are making and how much money you are left over.
Okay.
I came across recently a refusal from someone, and they came to me for a second advice. So, they provided 3 months bank statement and they want to sponsor someone as a shop manager, and the salary they want to give is 41,700.
Okay.
So they provided 3 months bank statement, and every month they had a closing balance less than 3,000. So Home Office said, see, you are going to offer someone a 42K, which is approximately 3,500 a month. But your bank balance, closing balance, is less than 3,000 for 3 months. So we do not believe you have
enough money,
funds to sponsor this migrant, or you can afford this. So this is something they look into it. So whether your business has genuine income coming and you are able to afford this salary.
Okay.
This is something they are looking into it. Another thing is what Home Office is expecting is the sponsorship duties, that you are aware of sponsorship duties and you know what are the requirements. So you should know about right to work. Any migrant workers you are employing, you cannot take them without doing the right to work share code. You cannot employ them. And if you have employed them, and after employing them, if you do the right to work, they are refusing the application.
Okay.
They expect you to have a robust HR system in place. So if I'm sure you have done the video about ukvikas.com.
Yeah.
So Home Office expect you to have one of the robust HR system which can monitor and track their attendance, attendance or timesheet, their holiday, their visa or passport expiry, and also it should record their work evidence. So this is an important thing when Home Office is granting a license, and if they are choosing you for compliance check, they want to see whether you have a HR system in place and you are aware of the sponsorship duties. Another thing is the authorizing officer. You need an authorizing officer level 1 and key contact for this 3 position. You need someone who is settled, especially for key contact and level 1 position, they should be settled or British citizen, and they should not have any criminal conviction or any other severe breaches in the past. For example, if they have been given penalty for recruiting any illegal migrant. So this sort of things will affect the license application itself. They will not go any further. They will simply say you are not qualified to be an authorizing officer level 1 key contact, so we are straight away we are refusing the application. So this is something they need to keep in mind. And another important thing is, while making the sponsorship license application, again they have to answer 10 questions and they have to choose the relevant SOC code, job duties and salary. If they choose, for example, if it is a fuel station and they, while applying license, they say they will need a IT architect or a IT analyst, they would say for your business you don't need IT architect, so they will refuse the license. So the license is still possible. You need to make it correctly, accurately. So we request you to seek advice from a qualified immigration consultant. You can either come to us or you can seek advice from a qualified immigration consultant or solicitor. So your application will be successful.
Superb.
That's all.
So guys, like if you still have a business and you're wondering whether you can get a sponsorship license, always it's good to have a basic consultation done, and then you can decide what to do next. Okay. So, and if you're an employee, don't stop there. If you're an employee and your employer doesn't know how to apply for a license, then it's better to look into this episode, go back and completely watch this episode, educate them, and if they still have any issues or queries, you can come to us.
Absolutely.
Okay. See you. Thank you.
Thank you.